I actually produced a couple of video clips, but I don't know how to edit it.
Hello, this is Joan of Arc. Holger is now traveling and is now at
the Empire Brunei. I guess next time might be trying to get a room here. And we take a quick peek into the restaurant area. How good is that? It looks unbelievably beautiful. The Empire Brunei. And have you ever been in a pool where you could kayak around? The weather is just superbly mild, sublime, windy. As they say, this is continuous throughout the year, fairly the same. You see people cleaning, and we have a little glimpse. And there is the lobby. Okay, let's make it fast if we can. Here is the International Airport. I'm at the departure lounge and let's see how busy it is. I'm a bit late. Flight is going roughly in 2 hours and 15 minutes. Coming from a country where we have a lot of waiting time, let's see how this one works. And it is delayed. Who would have thought? And the flight is delayed by 1 hour. We are here in the Anjung Sojana restaurant. There is a little bit a look at the menu. Coffee is cheaper than over there at the Coffee Bean. Do not go through the security check-in. I bought my Wi-Fi. Now the trick, I believe, is you don't go to Telbrew Wi-Fi straight away, but you go via Telbrew Airport or Telbrew Wi-Fi Airport, even though people say that's not the one. But if I went through Telbrew Airport Wi-Fi, even though my free one expired, and then it says post or prepaid, and that's where you click on it. You scroll down as a small link and then you put in the code and then it should be working. Feedback. In the meantime, I'm enjoying my bread and milk. It's called vanilla sauce and a nice latte. All good things are happening here. All good things. I just did the immigration, the check, sort of security check behind me. I was the only one, so it took me 2 minutes. Not many people may opt to spend some time here, but if you do, I say there is no hurry at all. So if you come, I dare say 2 hours or even 1.5 hours before the flight, still plenty of time. And as said before, do not go through the security check-in and the sort of departure gates, because there is probably not much out there, as they say. Let's see, just a few shops behind me, but really the cafes, the restaurant, a few. You can sit out there, just wait, take it easy, and prices are airport prices, but still reasonable. My bread and milk plus coffee was basically 15 Australian dollars, 14. In comparison to Melbourne, much cheaper. Quality was excellent, and everybody is really friendly. So that's it, and I'm off to Melbourne and might see you there.